We're with Gayle Goddard of the Clutter Fairy in Houston, Texas. Gayle, what's your best advice for making a packing project successful?
I think the best thing that you can do for yourself is recognize that packing takes time. It's going to take 5 times as long as you think it's going to. So if you think you're going to take off a week before the move and you're going to get it all done in time for the movers when they show up that Saturday, you are wrong, wrong, wrong. I'm just telling you right now. So you need to prepare to start packing way in advance, and you're going to start dismantling your house a month or 2 months out. The farther out that you start, the less stressful it's going to be, and you'll be able to gauge your time and get it all done. It's really a full-time job to pack. When you hire movers, they're going to send 2 or 3 people to pack you, and it's going to take them all day long to pack the whole house. So think about how many man hours that is. 8 times 3 is 24 man hours, and 24 man hours of time for them to stand there as professionals and pack your whole house. That's a long time. And the bigger the house, the denser the stuff, the longer it's going to take. So if you are going to do it yourself, you need to give yourself a huge amount of lead time. Start early, start packing non-essentials and stacking them up in a room in the corner somewhere. You're going to have to live with boxes for a couple of months, but that is the nature of moving, right? Ultimately, everything you own is going to be in a box. You want to give yourself enough lead time to do this in a comfortable, non-stressful way and not end up at the last minute spending all night long staying up trying to get it all boxed before the movers come. If you do that, you'll have a much less stressful move. And your end goal should be that you are finished packing and that you can go to bed and have 8 hours of sleep, so that when you get up in the morning, you are fully rested and you can stand there with your cup of coffee, which you're going to have to go to the drive-thru and get because everything's packed. But you can stand there with your cup of coffee while they're moving your stuff, and that will be the most relaxed you can be during a move. So aim for being completely packed with enough time for you to get a regular night's sleep before the move. Okay? If you do that, you will be happy and less stressed during the move. For a whole lot more about packing, you can go to my video on the YouTube channel called Leader of the Pack, the Clutter Fairy Guide to Packing. It will have all the technique you need to help pack your stuff. I hope that you have fun packing, and see you soon. Bye.